T5 here with Becky the Trekkie. We are at Seaworld 2024 for the 60th anniversary celebration. We're going to go on Mako. Up next, roller coaster. Come along with us for the ride and then stick with us afterwards for the review, and we'll let you know what we think. So we do have a quick queue pass. It says the ride time is 20 minutes. That's not too bad, but I guess we'll go ahead and we've got 6 of these things today, so we're going to go ahead and use them up. We'll head over to the quick pass, show you what the queues look like, and then we'll be on the coaster. All right, there's some of the queue theming. They've got it all turquoise and looks like wood lines. They've got some of the misters running today because it's super hot. We're supposed to have a high of like 102, and the line doesn't look too bad, but we did. It's like a walk-on situation, and it may not matter if you got a fast pass or not on this one, or the quick queue. Mako.
Oh, there we go.
200 footer. And I'm in. All right, you said 200 foot drop or 202?
200 even, I believe.
200 even. Thank you, Roman.
73 miles per hour.
73 mile an hour, 200 foot drop. We're going to compare this one to Diamondback. It used to be called Intimidator at Carowinds. What's it called now?
Thunderstrike.
Thunderstrike, okay.
Thunderstriker.
Thunderstriker, okay. They rebranded that one.
One of those names.
We've also been on, what, Diamondback?
Diamondback.
It's got like 230 foot, but 250 foot drop, but 230 feet in the air. And then the bigger ones are going to be your gigas, like Fury 325,
Orion.
Millennium Force, Orion. So we'll see how this one compares. Oh man, I bet we're at that 100-degree mark now. It's not even. It's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day to everyone in the States. Thank you for your service. Veterans included, my grandpa, my dad, my dad's dad, his dad's dad, all the way back to when we first got to the U.S. of A. in Massachusetts in 1633. So there's a little family history here. And I think we're going straight into the big drop, Becky.
Yeah.
Get ready for the big push.
Here we go.
Oh man, hands up. Oh my goodness. From the bed. Oh, straight down. Oh, in the air. Oh, Superman in it. Oh my gosh! Watch the rail! Oh, so much air! Here we go! Last little hop. Nice one there, nice and gentle. The twist. Here she goes, on the bed! Woo! Push me! Oh, all right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
That was good.
Yeah, this is you could go again on this one.
Oh yeah.
It's real smooth. Lots of air time
Oh yeah.
on the hills, and yeah. I enjoyed it. I feel great. You know, nice and hot. Oh no, you bounce around. It feels like you're just flying for a lot of it. So it is. It is. That's a good ride.
Very comfy.
Like in pipeline and dance, it hurts your chest.
Oh yeah, no shoulder pain, no neck pain, no over the shoulder restraints.
Yeah.
This is the new style on all the rides. These lap bars right here, and had a great ride, everybody. It's a great one. All right, coming off of Mako, I had a great ride.
Me too.
They didn't take their fast pass. If you just walked up there, they didn't check it. Looks like you can go either line on that one right now. All good. So what'd you think?
Oh, great ride. I loved it from the first drop all the way to the end. Yeah, just overall great ride. I think it's gonna rank up in one of my top 3 for these.
Oh, top 3 for Hypercoasters.
Yep.
Okay, I would definitely agree with that. Top 3 for the Hypercoasters. There's a lot of air time. If you put your hands up, you just trust that lap bar. You really, that top, really that Diamondback was, I won't call it, that's another ride, but it's got that real steep back. Just about 4 seconds of all 0G air time, and then it really pushes you through the upward spot, so you really feel those G-forces. It's very smooth. It's loud, but it's not overpoweringly loud. Like it's just a nice smooth ride all in all, and really I had a great time on it. I would totally get on that one again. We may do that before we leave the park. We'll be one more day. We might pop over to the aquatic park. We'll see how much time we've got. This thing is actually a really big park. We want to see all the shows and everything, so we may have to just come back to be able to hit the other 2 parks, but we'll try to get to everything for everybody. So thanks for joining us on this one. Had a great time on that, and we'll see you soon on the next coaster. Leave us a like if you like us, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody.